Tucked away in Stoneybrook East is this expansive 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. With its own private pool and no rear neighbors, this home is the perfect blend of tranquility and privacy. I'm Louisa from the Erica Diaz team. Give us a call today to schedule your private showing, and make sure you like and subscribe.
If you want to schedule a private showing of this home or any home you've seen on our channel, call the Erica Diaz team right now at 407-904-2702. We can get you in the door fast. And if you found this tour helpful, hit like and subscribe. We post new listings and home tours every week right here in Central Florida.